to all our listeners and our friends tuning in this morning all over the country, to all the Ouch Palangi Show. Yan naman ka Eleanor, yan naman ka Demisi.
Yan naman to all the mothers, hardworking mothers that are tuning in from the kitchen right now or from the house, holding a what's this? A broom. Holding a sweep. Holding a broom right now this morning as they start to do their housework. And the kids are gone to school and the father too is gone to work.
You have a nice haircut, Eleanor.
Thank you.
Okay, that's what's that haircut called?
It's called
Nambuninga, eh?
Yes.
Right, Nambuninga. The Mexico Nambuninga Andranona? Once you had a Buninga while small kid?
No Mbuina. Only box cut, cap cut.
We usually have the
cap cut.
We usually have the Tommy or what?
Kana cap, may patumuk cap. Mo kepilung ko yang secondary serebi, ngayo primary school may. Sayo simber ni buli. On to mayo serebia.
Right.
Cap otia box cut. Lago may na side cut. Mushroom.
Have you seen the Mr. T cut?
Huh?
Mr. T cut.
Meda ba?
This one down from here to the back, and this one from here to the back.
Like
Baka no resala na kay Roma.
Oh, like a rusta cut, eh?
Yeah, rusta cut.
Yeah, already rusta cut.
Eh?
Yeah.
Boy.
Wait, this one all the cut.
Iyo.
No, no cut.
Ina boleh besar mo cross cut.
Cross cut cross. Boleh bilang kat John Kumar. Mel na levu John ko pineapple cut. Pineapple cut apa kada tersing. Kau nama tanggali titi kau tu tak.
Yeah. Side of the mamba. Right.
That's up.
Arbana to all the drivers tuning in this morning and to all the passengers and nambasi Ketesar na blue bus, nambasi ni Nasese, nambasi ni Tabatale. Kerlachan, nambasi ni Tabuli
FM.
Arbana ka.
Tokono. Tusani boy tu.
Motolo.
Iyo LT 1230.
Iyo.
Tadi itu daw simbol bilaka. LM 732 from the Wuniboy of Memba.
Right.
To Mbama Noah from the LM. To all the taxi,
yes.
To all the drivers,
and also to the Ministry of Bureau of Statistics, the drivers, they also tuning in this beautiful morning. From forgetting the police officers, right?
From Sabu Sabu to Poli and the driver of the Ministry of Health,
right?
Not forgetting the police post of Sabu Sabu. They are tuning from Tamay Junior and Tinay Chochi.
The name of the police post is Channel Lodi.
Channel Lodi na karenda bibi ko ng bamba.
Ano na kiyo niling nabing grabe na nonta bipa limbula na maramanasi ling nabing grabe ngangalo di takataka ko siutal nga ni roro ni wang buka na nonta panu ruwa kira bi roro ni wang buka lalai nabi atiyo no neso na nonta panu niyan ni mata binaka lo ni panua ito siyang ngol dabi kimni musbi kito kipa kakito ngol dabi kimni rendre muni ngol dabi na matari kuwa kaya bi hotel kaya sar ni bulang ni sarmanu
kaka no
and to all the visitors from overseas who are listening in or tuning in this morning we say mbulu na welcome to Ouch Palang Show. Okay, this is like just the broken English,
Yes.
feature.
All right.
Okay, then Messi, have you ever been afraid?
I'm afraid.
The first time?
The first time I'm afraid, I did notice that I'm afraid.
What?
Nangono rere kina usia nukila niya usa rere tu.
Right.
Because I don't know what to do at that time.
Ba't ko sinikala na rere?
Au sinikila na rere.
Sinikala siya na rere?
Iyo. The only time
What were you experiencing?
I don't know what is frightened.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what is afraid.
Okay.
Because the only thing I know from afraid is watching movie.
Okay.
Kona elal no nibala.
Right.
Siang nial nibala.
Dracula.
Kona elal Dracula kona. That's the only thing usang kila kinarere. I don't know the rere.
Oh, it's from watching movie then.
Watching movie and dobang ko na kasi. Kun lagu kir na ka na papai. Kun lagu kir na. Let's kaya baka may asingan ni bayaw kenda. Meron do bati kenda nang kasi sa menta daw sa relo niya kata ni. Okay na siya sabi. Okay na siya sabi.
Sa relo di kata ni apa?
Nakata ni ko na kila ko ka rebak.
Right.
Siya okay na sinirere mo kasalanan
Kachi palagi.
Kora doli matanga. Kada do tali tang doli sa kalila Ngali pa kami lipar pa kita limi. Kona Annabelle siya tapos ni.
He owns 3 Annabelle.
Annabelle mesa kure. From there, I was because I don't know.
Yeah.
Just like somebody watching movie and see the sack.
Iya.
Right.
eating this. Hindi ka tunelelo.
Iya.
Onde pa ni nawanga. From there,
So what you see is planted here.
Yeah.
Right.
If you take that child watching a movie and you take to the sea, kaya kamantakan to na po na ipoponte ya.
Yeah.
Of course, first thing coming to his mind
Yeah.
is the sack here.
Right.
The sack.
Shaki.
Because traumatized
Right.
in the head that cause decision making of afraid in our whole body.
Oh, preach it.
Hey!
Kasi akin
So the first time, because you never know what is to be afraid.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yung sakit tarong ira, natap man chuchingo. Dara ka sa Malaysia.
I just want
Okay, you are vibrating there. Nini too. You
Yeah.
single too. What's causing that?
listen. I want to tell you something.
Yes.
Yeah.
Doon siya tukuno we go together with my mom. Karaw ko doon makatuni. Timbi tu na liba.
Wow, danger.
Na kuru-kuru.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Abang ko nung nandrok. Abang ko ibi. Go nangaw na when the lightning and thunderstorm is occur in the earth.
Iyo.
What happened is this.
Iyo.
Ningay tao binawda. Damana.
Iyo. Right.
Damana oiran da ungasimay da kerare na tumbuto ningele.
Uy.
So from there, as soon as you enter the mangroves,
Yeah.
you see their house there.
Enter the dragon.
Enter the dragon, kay la. You see their house. You don't step on it.
Yeah.
Siya may ka kinanday. Ulaw ba ko sa tumtum nga laman numtang.
Saan din
When the
na?
thunderstorm is men daw luto na
Yeah,
kurkuru.
yeah.
Kay taong binaw da.
That
Yeah.
means this
Daw sina inon
Lyra,
rangara.
they shouldn't
Siya
have
nila iro naman na.
namana. O ira meron ko dirarama ka na kuru-kuru. Meron ka na tamata.
No,
that's when
because
they attack.
the kurkuru,
Yeah.
Yeah.
they are connect kinanggele.
Oh, right.
Their house inside the swamp.
Iya.
Tikolo maningele era muloma. So nangona when we go,
Yeah.
we step on the dengu.
Yes.
Nikumbuto ko na dengu, they will coming up. So from that time do na kona rekala bina remena ko ma udim barseba.
Yeah.
Udim barseba, esin do nangone metako sukina mesin
English,
buno.
please.
Yes.
No
Outside,
children,
yeah.
no children doing that's our cross cut to school.
Iya.
No children from Udim barseba
Iya.
ever coming there no sweat. Ngone kele all the students will come there na rambuno.
Iya.
Because that's where people running.
Oi.
Epono bakatawan itu.
Oh.
Maka meabwe.
Iya.
From there ngay doon maka na sautambu.
Iya.
Right.
Na sautambu and another thing one doon tumbutika na mitumbuya ni nguno matebiroda.
Iya.
Matebiroda there is a epono tumbuni wa ngay dotukuni batao tukuni doon mbuni ngone robichinan.
Iya.
So when you pass like this you'll hear. Ano tiro tani ngone. For us it's normal eh.
Iya.
For some people they knew that they will be afraid.
So ngano sa tiburere kino sa tiburere makana buibuno kedengo.
Yeah, because on that time we go to together with my mom.
Yeah.
So my mom, I was touch volley. I was playing touch.
Yeah.
So from there, my mom gone first. I was running at the back. Mula ko talaga walking here to Gary Campus.
Iya.
Derek.
Yeah, Gary Campus. Samambula.
Iya.
Like from there to the Bruni Tarku Kakenamana.
Oh, yeah.
So from there on this side, I don't know that that place where I Patawan.
Iya.
Then somebody was throwing the stick from there. I heard the talking.
Iya.
I smell the suki, the bunny spray.
Iya.
And I was standing like this and I was watching. I will be ready. I want to see where the stick was coming from. Nang tumbu mekin na kau, nobody was there. Already nga ni from the
Yes.
Mandala ni do sos o kau nga
Iyo.
from dola ni
Gon na mo mata mo sara.
matang kusara nga. Nobody was there and the stick was coming. And don't o sinurere.
Iyo.
Then from there I was watching no none of my
Ikaw
business.
mo tunga, you are the devil there, I'm the devil ya.
From there I went.
Yeah.
Together with my mom and come back and I tell the story.
I think the devil signaling you.
Yeah.
Come.
Sengay.
Iya.
I tell my mom, "Don't kaya do kabiyo, ito very to me."
Iya.
And he never talked to me. So
Yeah.
when we reach home,
Yeah.
then he explained. That's normal and the way to believe.
Kembali ko sila sa tunga ni Rere.
I don't know. Nangaw na sa
Boy,
tala
ayaw
no.
sa nga ko.
Nangaw na sa tala no takaw tikina when my mom told me the story ni Bonoya bakay
Yeah.
tawatu.
Iya.
Myself daytime or nighttime. Bonoya bono ni video
So you start eating the donut.
Huh?
So you start eating the
No,
donut.
the door not eat me. Sa kalilay may na donut.
I am the donut.
malay menador.
Ay, sagaloy. Yan binak. Yo, so nakabaya dem si do na weekend na nanggas ya.
Iya.
Meda ka kunim tail may nanrapa ka sa banamon ni.
Kuha.
Narere.
Iya,
Kuha.
Matamu mo tino kenda limu weekend timu ka man narere na bibagariri.
Hindi na.
Eh?
Iyo.
Ato bestak serangan men, tua me para itu kentarangoni.
Iya.
Iya, ngor.
Iya.
Iya, papai. Tamu seranga tambu.
Iya.
Iko sama ke sudu seranga, sama ke politiko itiko.
Dino saramen.
Men tau rere bangana ka. Irna ngone rasin kelato ra kabaya.
Iya.
Ira ni durba vitali itu mana. Nango.
Do mantang go abu ibali.
Iya.
Abu ni sanga tombol limbong isa sartun kila narere. Arto sang kala kami kono na momor to sang kala kata ko na barre ko ya.
Iya.
Ngono ko abu sartin bito ka tumbalik. Boleh so belilai. Nak ko ni rere ya.
Iya.
And you also telling the truth.
Weh, nanu tapa ka sabay?
Na yalo, na serlelo. Rusia te,
Iya.
that is where he developed
The fear.
the fear.
Iya.
Mada sauti o tumbu ni bali.
Iya.
Wana ka bitan na nirto sara arto ngol kito nga weekend nawa.
Iya.
Gerto siben rto ngito.
Iya.
Sen bersar tu mon rto mo menabo on te kirten na litebo. Siga kito kale mo di bali. O tumbu na.
Iya.
Embutu nga menana nanda montabo.
Iya.
Mbutira tuiram. Soso tal ni takin tabo. Ko ni rere sa sirila ko itumba. Asa kay bang ko nang girim ko na mo na tulog ko sa kay binakan ko. Dito may sinisigan dito na taw ni uga.
Tunacho matay, tulad nga olewasian na.
Hey! Hey, erbi na tamale bina malum sara bito kan bulmay.
Guess what?
Gori da birto na squad ni boy boy.
Adikku, sama di sini tinggal mau banggar dona.
Tangan mo.
Tangan ibu.
Nah,
Oh, ada berapa Pennywise?
Turang
Ada berapa?
Kita boleh sampai kibra kada non de talon matag di kuah. Gak siya takot ani hat mo takina like. May tatal matag ni matak. Baka di bina kada buding karabit.